And guess what? Like every episode, we're going to be probably talking about this team that's very controversial, Talk in Text, and their new superstar, Renren Ritwala. Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good.
Let's talk about the year 2002. How has it been for you?
Natupad ko yung dream ko. I was drafted by Air 21. I entered the PBA, so it was a blast. Just coming from LaSalle.
Rookie of the year.
Yeah, Rookie of the Year. We had a championship from LaSalle. Just a Rookie of the Year that year. So, sobrang saya ng year.
In 2002, Rookie of the Year, 2000 PBA sixth man. Tapos All-Star, and then with the awards that you got it, yeah, timing is very, very crucial.
Yeah.
Now that you're in Talk in Text, syempre baguhan ka pa lang. So how is the management and the way they play, and how do you gel with all the other players? And
First, yung management is really great. Kasi parang they really invest on the team talaga. Sobrang wala akong masabi sa management kasi they really want to get this conference in the championship. So,
Okay.
talagang prepare nila kami.
how about the players?
The players is great also kasi parang nakakasundo ko sila. Yung iba doon, most of them are teammates ko sa RP team. So, walang problema. Tapos yung coaching staff, kasama ko rin sa Lasal. So, sobrang konting adjustments now.
And how about yung mga parang mga taong medyo kinakailangan mo pa mag-gel with, or you still have to get to know who are they?
Hindi mo mawala yun na kailangan namin mag-gel. Kasi that's why we went to the States. Parang
Parang yung bonding.
oo. Parang we have no choice but to be stuck together
Yeah.
for like a month. Tapos another 2 weeks. So talagang naging close kami at that time.
Mag-inuman muna tayo and let's have a toast.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We'll be right back. My name is Asia Agawid. We have the Rayman over here. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I have a girlfriend.
For how long?
8 years.
Do you play basketball together?
No. Sana.
Kasi ito, dapat hindi mo na i-deny ito. Niligawan mo si Pauline Luna, no?
Hindi mo na
Oh, yeah, right.
Hindi ko niligawan. Na-meet ko lang siya sa homeboy. Siyempre, hindi mo na maiwasan yan lalo pag na-meet mo na showbiz. Like, magkakausap kami nun eh.
Tapos,
First yun lang.
oh, actually,
Na-meet ko na si Sandara nun, ba't hindi ako nalik kay Sandara?
Ano naman?
Diba?
Hello? Ano ba yan? Oh. May mga showbiz personalities ba na parang na-inspire ka or somehow nagiging crush mo? Especially, di ba may mga tambalan na ngayon parang,
Oo.
di ba? If you weren't attached,
Alright.
who would you go for?
Gusto ko actress si Bea Alonzo.
Bakit?
Kasi magaling siya. Tsaka, I really watch, mga teleserye.
Would you want to be an actor at some point?
No, hindi ko kaya.
Hindi mo kaya?
Hindi ko kaya.
Just say, merong certain offer. Tapos yung offer niya, kasing laki ng kontrata ng Talk in Text. Magkano yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Tell me, no.
Basta kumana siya, tapos pag kaya ko yung offer, yung papagawa sa akin, wala problema.
O sige, like let's say, magkakasal na kayo ng girlfriend mo. Pagkatapos may kissing-scene ka kay Bea Alonzo. Just say, it's a hypothetical question. Come on, tell me, would you go for it? Kasing pressure ng Talk and Text and hey, malaki yan.
Siyempre, I asked my wife first, diba? Sabihin ko muna sa kanya.
Hindi, ikakasal na pala kayo.
Ikakasal, siguro maintindihan niyo kasi mahal magpakasal ngayon. Diba? Mahal magpakasal ngayon, so I'll be practical. Oh, tanggapin na natin yan, pagdagdag din sa kasalan yan.
Anong klaseng kiss yung bibigay mo kay Bea?
Passionate.
Nax! Patay ka!
Patay ako.
Ano mo passionate ka?
Hindi, sabi ni Direk ganun eh.
Gano'n ka long?
Pag maraming cuts, di matagal.
Portilista rin ang mga, di ba? You are truly a It's a great interview. Thank you very much. And there you have it, people. The Rayman, Talk of the Town, Talk and Text player, Renren Ritwala. My name is Asia Agawidi, and see you next week. This is Shocking Asia.